Open Skies is a trade agreement that is working and delivering huge value and benefits to both countries. And it benefits millions of flyers. It supports hundreds of thousands of jobs, and it's critical to hundreds of cities and communities. The agreement works for everyone, and the aviation trade relationship is an essential part of the broader economic exchange that connects the UAE and the US and promotes together our shared prosperity. This is the ultimate win-win for both countries.